Namaste friends, welcome to RH Chemistry. In today's NEET Booster 2020 Alcohol, Phenols and Ethers chapter I am going to discuss. So in this chapter very important concept is reaction with Grignard reagent and these you can say ring expansion reactions. Addition to that, remember, so very important, dehydration of alcohol. So all these things we are going to discuss and we will learn some new concept in today's session. So if you have not seen my old videos, you can see that in the previous videos. So NEET Booster and also KCET 2020 Final Punch series are there. Addition to that, JEE NEET series also, JEE series, addition to that, COMEDK series are also there. Definitely it is going to help you. You can see all those things. Then if you are not subscribed, then please subscribe to the channel. So in today's Alcohol, Phenols and Ethers chapter, first one, increasing order of acidic strength among para-methoxyphenol, para-methylphenol, para-nitrophenol. So these are the three compounds given. Now in this case you can see acidic nature of the phenol. We know that the hint for this is electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group increases acidic nature. Acidic nature. Right? So hence remember para-nitro group is there. Nitro group is electron withdrawing. Hence para-nitrophenol is very strong or acidic in nature. So 3 is stronger. 2 options left. Increasing order means it is higher. So 3 is stronger. Then out of methoxy and methyl, remember, so methyl is having less ability to donate the electron compared to this. This is also electron donating. This is also electron donating, methoxy. But methoxy is having more ability to donate the electron and methyl is having less ability to donate the electron. Because of that reason, methyl is more acidic than methoxy. Hence 2, then more than 1. So 1 less than 3, 2 less than 3 is the answer. So answer for this question is D. Then second one, in this diol. So if you see CS3 group is there. Second position I have marked OH and fifth position OH. In this diol, OH at C2 is more basic than that of C5. OH at C2 is more acidic than that of C5. Both behave as a base, both behave as acid. Very important type of question, remember. And these are not previous year questions, I will tell you. And I have taken this from very important NEET book. Remember, MTG publication, NEET book. I have considered some important questions. Yes. Second position, fifth position is there. So first of all, remember these are alcohols, correct? So alcohols can behave as acid also and can behave as base also. It is depending on when it donates H plus, O minus is there, that will behave as a base. Fine. In this case, they are not given acidic nature. Acidic nature they have given C2 is more acidic. But remember C5 is more acidic because acidic nature increases with electron withdrawing group. Right? So here 2 electron donating groups are there, CS3, and here only 1 ethyl group is there. Because of that reason, less electron donating group is attached at 5th position, hence 5th is more acidic, but C2 is more acidic is there, hence we will leave it. But basic nature when I consider, here and here, when it form O minus and when it form O minus ion, now you can see, in this case, there are 2 electron donating groups. And here 1 ethyl group is electron donating. Because of that reason, I will tell you, OH at the second position is more basic than that of, remember, C5. So in this particular case, remember, because of the plus I effect of the CS3 group and plus I effect of the ethyl group. Here only ethyl, here 2 methyl. Because of that reason, OH group at the C2 position is more basic than at C5 is the answer. So the answer for this question is A. Clearly you observe this. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment box. Then third one and the fourth one. See third one, CS3-MgBr excess we have used. So here the cyclopentane oxygen is there in between, double bond O is there, hydrolysis X formed is they are asking. And here excess when it is given and whatever the number of these CS3-MgBr you want, you can take. There is no problem in it. So first what happens I will tell you. So first these type of reactions are very important my dear students. First what happens is CS3-MgBr and hydrolysis. So if you have not seen my Grignard reagent video, please go through that Grignard reagent video. I have shown you so how this product is going to form and how to write the product in a very short time. So hence remember, please go through that video. It is there in the tips and tricks series in the playlist, remember. So you will definitely get it. So direct I will write the product here. You can see wherever double bond O is there, you attach this CH3 to this particular carbon, attach this CH3 to this carbon and make it OH, So if you are not understood, please see that video, definitely will understand. So like this, it is CH3 and this is OH. This is the final product you are going to write. So you are going to see the alcohol formation here. Now once again this can react with another molecule of CH3MgBr. Why it can react? Because here there is so you can see bridge oxygen is there. Now what happens is very important. Now remember, this bond is going to cleave. So because of that reason, remember here you are going to see methyl group attached to this carbon, OH is formed by this particular carbon. So I will write that molecule here like this, OH here, right, OH, and this first carbon here I will write. So this is second carbon, correct? So second carbon, and this is third carbon, right? So then the fourth carbon, you can say fourth carbon, there is a one OH, there is a one CH3 and also another CH3 attached. See, correctly you can understand. So oxygen OH, this carbon here, this carbon here, this carbon here, this carbon here, and OH is here, CH3 here, and this CH3 attached to this carbon, so CH3 here. Now this structure resembles which one? So this one. So the answer for this question is, remember third one, A is the answer. Very important type of reactions, remember, for JEE Main also, NEET also, remember that. The order of reactivity of the following alcohol towards concentrated HCl is, remember, concentrated HCl. So what happens is here, OH is replaced by Cl. Very simple reaction, OH is replaced by Cl. Which means this will undergo, remember, carbocation intermediate formation. Carbocation intermediate formation, the reaction depending on the stability of the carbocation. Now I will write the carbocation. Now you will see the stability. So just imagine first one, we will remove this OH and we will form a carbocation at this. So benzyl carbocation you can say. Now we will remove this OH and we will form a carbocation here. This is secondary carbocation you can say. We will remove this OH and we will write the carbocation here. Right. So just imagine after removing OH. So after removing OH, I have formed the carbocation here. Now you have to think about the stability. Now, definitely out of these, benzyl carbocation is more stable. Fourth one is more stable. Remember, fourth one is more stable. Two options left. And after that, in both the case, 3 is there. So not necessary to think about the secondary. 3 is left. So not necessary to worry. Out of these two, which is more stable, you will see. Out of these two, which is more stable in this particular case. Now, the stability of the carbocation is also depends on, remember. So, stability of the carbocation here, it is also depending on donation of the minus psi effect of the fluorine also. CH3 same, but here minus psi effect is there. Always remember, minus psi effect decreases the stability of the carbocation. So minus I decreases the stability of carbocation. So stability of carbocation, and plus I effect increases the stability of carbocation. Because of that reason, you can see tertiary is more stable than secondary, more stable than primary. Why we will tell? Because in tertiary, there are 3 methyl groups which will have plus I effect. Here 2 methyl group which will have plus I effect. So here this is due to resonance, it is more stable. Here there is a plus I effect from CS to CS3. Then here CH2F is there. Here CH2F is there. So minus psi effect also plays an important role here. So lesser the minus psi effect. See, minus psi effect decreases stability of carbocation. Minus psi effect decreases the stability of carbocation, right? So minus psi effect, if it is more, stability of the carbocation will be less. So hence, if the minus psi effect is less, see, minus psi effect, one thing I will tell you, minus psi effect decreases. Minus psi effect decreases with increase in chain length. Remember, chain length. We know that, right? Which means here after 2 carbon fluorine is there, here after 1 carbon fluorine is there. Because of that reason, fluorine effect, minus psi effect is more in this case and less in this case. Clearly listen that, more in this case and less in this case. Because of that reason, 2 is more than 1. So answer for this question is C. Very beautiful questions. All these are very, very nice questions. Remember, definitely will enjoy if you love organic chemistry. So very, very important. Remember, C is the answer. Then, fifth one. In the following sequence of reactions, the compound C is they are asking. See, very simple and very, very interesting question it is. Whenever you will see NH2 and HNO2, one thing you remember, alcohol formation, right? Can you remember amines chapter? This reaction with nitrous acid, wherever it is primary or secondary, like this, definitely it will form phenol, this alcohol. If it is, remember, benzene, that is aniline, you are going to get benzene diazonium chloride. Hence, directly I will write A like this. CH3, CH, OH, CS3. Now oxidation give rise to B. So after oxidation give rise to B means, remember, in this particular case, after oxidation, I am going to write it as CH3, CH, double bond O. This is CH, H will not form here. Single bond CH3. Ketone is going to form. Ketone is going to form. Remember, ketone is going to form. Here, one thing is very simple. So oxidation, weak oxidizing only. If it is strong, they should have mentioned potassium, the permanganate like that. But given oxygen means it is weak only. Don't worry about that. So it will form secondary alcohols to ketone. Then reacts with CH3MgI. CH3MgI is Grignard reagent. So what you have to do? You have to make that CH3 attached to this carbon and OH you make it. So like this, CH3, you attach CH3 here and already this CH3 is there. You make it as OH here. It's very simple. Once again, Grignard reagent application, very, very important. Remember this type of reaction. See, 1, 2, 3, 2-methyl, propan, 2-ol is the answer. 2-methyl, propan, 2-ol is the answer. So the answer for this question is C. Then, now, CH3MgBr reacts with, so cyclopentanone. After hydrolysis form A, then react with HBr to form B, B with magnesium in dry ether to form C, C with this HCHO with H3O plus hydrolysis give rise to D. What is D they are asking? Right? Very simple and very interesting question it is. Now first I will write. See, CH3MgBr and this double bond O is there, and after hydrolysis form the product. Directly I will form the product, you can see here. I will form the product here. Once again, very important Grignard reagent to understand. I will make it as this is OH and thus that methyl group is here, CH3. Very simple. Wherever double bond O is there, attach this CH3 to that carbon and make this double bond O to OH. That is a shortcut. After this, remember HBr. Correct? So always remember this HBr, OH is replaced by Br. Very simple. OH is replaced by Br. This is CH3 and this is Br. Remember, Br with Mg ether they are telling. Br with Mg ether is nothing but magnesium bromide it is. That is, Grignard reagent is going to form. So hence I will write it here. You can say like this CH3 and CH3, sorry, MgBr it is. MgBr it is. Grignard reagent. Now this is Grignard reagent. This Grignard reagent react with, remember, HC double bond O, H here, H here. Very clearly observe. So formaldehyde react with this Grignard reagent. Now what you have to do, this carbon, whatever it is there, this carbon you attach to this carbon. This carbon you attach to this carbon. So MgBr it will remove and oxygen become OH. So see here, clearly observe how I will write the product. This is CH3 as it is already present, right? This is CH2OH it become. Double bond O become OH. CH2OH. So like this, CH2OH. So if you are not understood, once again you go through this particular reaction, definitely you will understand. So the answer for this question is, remember, A. Answer for this question is A. Then, periodic oxidation of 1,2-cyclopentane diol is, remember, 1,2-cyclopentane diol. So periodic oxidation they are telling. So first we will write that 1,2-pentane diol, right? So see, like this. Cyclopentane will write. Cyclopentane like this. Cyclopentane. And 1,2 diol they are telling. So 1, 2 diol like this. Right? Very simple. Now, periodic oxidation means what? For this, remember, I have made separate video on oxidizing agents or oxidation in organic chemistry. Oxidation in organic chemistry in my playlist, it is there in the under tips and tricks series. Please go through that. All those reduction and oxidation, I have made a separate video. Definitely will enjoy that video. In that, I have told very simply, whenever it is OH adjacent to each other, periodic oxidation, when it reacts with HiO4, this bond undergo cleavage and OH convert into ketone. OH convert into carbonyl group. Ketone means aldehyde depending on carbonyl group. HiO4 oxidation, remember, this carbon-carbon bond is undergoing cleavage and OH undergoing converted into C double bond O. So hence remember you are going to get C double bond O. Double bond O, this bond undergo cleavage means this should be H, right? This carbon is as it is, second carbon is as it is, third carbon is as it is, the fourth carbon C double bond O, H. Now this structure resembles which one? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So answer for this question should be D. Very important, periodic oxidation of 1,2-cyclopentane diol. So very important, remember. Now this one. This one is also another type of reaction where nucleophilic substitution reaction, right? Nucleophile will attack on this particular carbon. Now, very important point is, always remember in presence of the base, nucleophile, this is the nucleophile, CH3O- is the nucleophile. That nucleophile always attacks less crowded carbon. Always remember, always attack less crowded carbon. Less crowded carbon means less sterically hindered. Less sterically hindered out of this carbon and this carbon, definitely this carbon. Hence remember, nucleophile is OCH3 minus methoxide ion. So hence this will attack on here, and remember this form O minus. So O minus later it will attach with OH. So it is going to form CH3, COH here, COH, CH2, OCH3 attacks here. So the answer for this question is A. Like this you have to solve this particular question. Then Ninth question. Which one of the following will not form yellow precipitate with heating with alkaline solution of iodine? One thing you remember, alkaline solution of iodine is nothing but haloform reagent. Haloform reagent, very important. Which means they are asking directly, which of the following does not undergo haloform reaction? Remember, for haloform reaction, the condition is, in case of the alcohol, CH3CHOH part should be there. In case of the alcohol, CH3CHOH part should be there. So this part is definitely, if you go on see, this part is there, CH3CHOH, CH3CHOH, CH3CHOH. So the answer for this question is methyl alcohol. Easily you can tell. The last question, which is correct about the given change. See, phenol converted into double bond and double bond O, right? So definitely you can say this is enol form, and it is keto form, enol form and keto form. In this particular case, the two compound exhibit keto-enol tautomerism, correct statement. Former is enol, former means first, later means second. Former is enol, second one is keto, that is also correct. Former is more stable than the latter. That is also correct, because in the former, remember, because of the resonance, this is more stable. Because of the resonance, this form is more stable. This is not forming the resonating structure as it shows, remember. So hence, this is more stable. This is also correct. Hence, the answer for this question is 10th one D. So I hope you enjoyed these organic chemistry question. Definitely, if you have enjoyed, so definitely you have to tell that in the comment box, so that I will bring some more questions of this organic chemistry, which is of more interested one. So definitely these are the important concepts. So many concepts we have learnt in this particular case. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.